To show and sell was the spirit of the Niue Council of Women's Weaving Group special public showcase yesterday. This open display was specifically organized for the members of the group who normally get together every Wednesday at Makini Hall. The hall, which is normally quite open and bare, was all done up with stores from wall to wall and groups dressed to impress. Groups big and small put their wares out for show with a range of hats, bags, table mats and more, just to show how busy they've been over the past few months. Finally, the ladies got to reap the benefits of all their hard work by selling their handicrafts. A representative of the group says that this is only the first part of their show, focused mainly on woven products and hand-sewn pillowcases. The group has been fundraising for some time now and put in funds for the various prizes that were distributed yesterday. Groups were judged on their uniforms, stalls and products on display. And judging by the turnout, it was a major success as tourists and yachties went in to scoop up some good deals for some fine Niuean weaving, with most of the good stuff selling way before the official opening. The group are hoping to host another show day at the end of the year to display the rest of their work from iepili sheets to patchwork and more.